Alright, so in the previous video, I basically cleaned these castors out. They were the crunchiest castors ever. So I repainted these. These are melting faultless castors. Evansville, Indiana, USA. So there's just a little chunk missing on that wheel. Other than that, so I basically resurfaced the wheels and polished the races, the outer races, the inner races, and the bearing cartridges are pretty much pit free. They're just surface stains on there. So I think that's good to go. I also managed to cobble together a brand new hardware kit here. I'm not really a fan of lock washers, so I don't see the point of them. They don't work. So we're gonna go ahead and put this thing together. So I got a little bit of grease. So first thing is really just greasing these and just throwing them into each wheel. So I'm gonna have to reuse these washers. I did clean them up a little bit and straighten them out. So I don't really have anything else that will fit. So, but I have brand new nuts otherwise. So just gotta put the washers in, and this is the glory step. All right, there it is. We are done. So much better. There's no play. Brand new. Brand new. If I didn't tell you otherwise, you'd think that these were pulled off the machine after about a week or two.